In this video, I'm going to show you how to download CapCut Pro APK for free and also for PC. So this is the kind of video that you should watch to the end. Definitely, I'm going to take you step by step on how to download it. And also, I'm going to drop the link for you to go download it on the comment section and also on this video description. So first and foremost, you have to watch this video to the end so that you will be able to know how to download it. And if at all you click on the link and it's not working, you should know how to go download it yourself. You will be able to access all the pro features in your video. Everything is free. This will save you cost of maybe you can as well make money from this. I'm going to show it to you. You can also make money by showing others how to go download it and you charge them for it. I've seen someone who is using this to make money, but I'm just here to give you for free. So the only thing I want from you is for you to just tell me thank you in the comment section and also type in the comment section CapCut Pro APK for free. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, let's get started. To download your CapCut Pro, go and uninstall the current version of your CapCut. Click on it and then go ahead to uninstall the current version of your CapCut. Once you do that, Android users, go to your browser and then search for CapCut older version APK. CapCut older version APK. Then choose the up to down older version of CapCut Android, this first one. So once you get to this point, the next thing that you need to do is for you to come down here. So you will see this, you can see CapCut here, you can see older version. So what you have to do is for you to click on this older version, and then once you click on the older version, then come down here, you can see different versions of CapCut. You can see 2025 version, you can see July 24 2025 version. So what you have to do is for you to make sure that you go down, click on see more, keep on clicking till you get to maybe 2021, 2022 or 2023, even 2024 version, because those ones are not monetized. Those ones you can be able to get them for free. So that is what you are going to do. Make sure you keep on clicking till you see 2024, 2023, 2022 or 2021 version. So once you see that, you have to click on it. Once you click on the particular version you want to download, just come down here and see where to download. Here you can see download. Click on this arrow that is facing downward to download it. It is as simple as that for Android users. Okay, if you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I noticed that most of my viewers are not subscribing to my channel, and you may happen to be one of them. Please go ahead to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a thumbs up. So let's continue. Now for PC users, the process is just like the same. Okay, just come over to your, first and foremost, you have to go uninstall the current version of your CapCut on your PC. Once you do that, come over to your browser and then search for up to down CapCut PC older version. CapCut PC older version. Going to choose this one, the first one. So once you choose that particular one, search for version 1.4.0188 because that particular version is not monetized. Okay, you can see different versions here. So you have to choose 1.4.0188. This particular one, you can see January 20, 2023. This particular version here, make sure you choose this one. So once you choose it, I'm going to click on it. Once you choose the version, the next thing is for you to come down here to download it to your PC. Come down here. Come down here to click on this arrow facing downward to download it to your PC. It is as simple as that. Once you are done downloading, you have to go ahead to install it to your phone and launch it. Voila, you've gotten your CapCut Pro for free. Trust me, all the pro features will be there and you can be able to access them and use them to edit your videos without any restriction. I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to give a like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Do well to give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel. And I'll also advise that you should save this video in case you need it some other time. Maybe in one way or the other, you lost your CapCut. You may really need this video some other time to be able to know the step-by-step process on how to download CapCut Pro for free. This format has been in existence for so long, so do well to save this video. You can as well share for others to know, okay, for others to learn, because this will save so many people. So don't be stingy, make sure you share this video for others to learn as well. In my next video, I'm going to make a video on how to navigate through CapCut, how you can add effects to your video to make it enticing, to make it lovable. And also do not forget that I have a course on video editing, smartphone video editing 101. So if you need the course, it's just very cheap. It's not costly, just 15,000 now you can get the course. So click the link on the comment section to go buy the course from my seller account, or you check the video description. I will include the link to buy the smartphone video editing course. Okay, so do not forget to buy the course and also recommend to anybody that wants to learn video editing. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for watching this video to this point. Love you. Bye bye.